Have you noticed that when you get new plants like this, at first they look like they don't show up fully for themselves, like all tiny the time they get accustomed to their environment in your house or outside on your patio. It's the same with your audience. So part 2 of what is a sales funnel, basic 101. I'm gonna show you today what we mean when we say it's time to nurture, nourish your audience so that they start considering, dealing with you on a regular basis. So the first thing I want to tell you is that go back to video number 1 of what's a sales funnel. Part 1 is attract. You got to understand what part 1 is about, so that when I talk about the nurturing sequence right now, you see where I'm coming from. If you don't know me yet, I'm Angélique Binet. I'm the founder of Social Media Love, and I help women entrepreneurs to use their fear of becoming visible to monetize their message. When I say visible, I mean using your voice, your ideas, your stories, your irresistible offers, your leadership, your beliefs, and your expertise. And this is what we do in Social Media Love. So, number 1, you're gonna be nourishing different type of audiences actually. And so you're gonna have like different families. You know how we have friends, the ones that we call acquaintance before they become friends, and then the real friends, the ones that you don't need to introduce yourself anymore or say where you are or why you don't feel like going out tonight, the ones that gets you. So once you have people in your audience on social media, I'm talking about any platform here, the first thing you're gonna want to do is to make sure that you keep nourishing the people that just met you. And I love using this especially on Facebook and Instagram, because with Facebook ads, because you can actually see who's watching at least 25%, for example, of your videos every week, and you can send them, especially them, because they watch 25 or 50%, you can send them videos that are more like in-depth. That they're interested, so you're gonna keep going and talking to them. So that's one way. And then the other people you're gonna keep nourishing like that is people who are interacting all the time with your LinkedIn, with your Instagram, with your stories. You're gonna serve them, on a frequently basis, your content. So that's family number 1, I would say. Family number 2 are people who are ready to go deep and open the door of your ecosystem. aka, i.e., getting into your email list. So this is those people you're going to nourish with specific tools or videos that they can access only if they give you their email. In exchange of an email, they're going to get extra free value from you. It could be an extra webinar, it could be a webinar, it could be a video series, it could be a lead magnet, a PDF, whatever it is, right? So those people, you're going to keep nourishing them so that they can experience your expertise, number 1, because when they're gonna actually download your stuff or watch the video, that's, oh my god, that's gonna really move the needle for me. Or they're also gonna actually start feeling that you are taking care of them, and they really like your approach. Not only do you give them the tactics and the strategy, but they really feel something, and this is when the bond starts happening. So they're gonna download everything you do, they're gonna attend all your webinars, they're gonna read all your blogs, listen to all your podcasts. They're your real family now. It's time for them to, next video, convert. But it can take months, years. So if you are listening to Social Media Love, I'm really here to tell you to slow down. There is no rush. There is no rush in a relationship. The more you rush it, the more you put pressure on it, the more it becomes, right? It's the same with your people online. Remember, every eye or every mouth that is talking or reading your stuff, or eyes, they're real people, and they need what it takes to a human to build that relationship. So calm down. Okay, this is why actually when you work with me, this is one of our foundation. Take your time. And actually I'm working myself on this, on this belief that I am time, and there is all the time I need, or there is all the time we need, all of us, to do whatever we want to do, because we are here for the long game. Our mission is stronger than our fears of not having time enough, right? So this is, all of this is to tell you that when you nourish an audience, you give food for thoughts, food to implement on their business or in whatever area of their life they're trying to transform, there is time for them to experience how you can help them. And this is where the magic happens. This is where you put all your intention, and this is where a big thing is coming at you. And I'm gonna say it, don't freak out. It's called, for me, I call it the signature content. So once you figure out who is your family, your new people, you're gonna build something for them that you're gonna call your signature content, and you're gonna choose a platform to carry this signature content. So this is how you're gonna keep nourishing, and you're gonna use social media to promote that signature content and to deliver it to them. So this is how I nourish my audience. This is how we nourish audiences of clients I work with. If you want to nourish or learn how to nourish your own audience and what food do they want, what I can tell you is this. You can apply to book a call with me, and we can have that discussion where I'm going to help you kind of figure out, where are the gaps in your marketing ecosystems, and what would be the steps to make those gaps, bridge to a complete approach. And then I will also talk to you if I see that there is a fit, how I could help you, right? Because we have a new program that is a long-term program that I'm excited to launch, even though I'm very slow at launching it, because it's really a place where we're gonna get together and build slowly but surely your attraction machine so that your business grows even when you sleep. And it's not a joke. Every morning I have 3 new leads in my email list. I could say, oh, that's not a lot, but for me that's enough. If I keep every day to have 3 new leads, then when I invest more, I can have 30 new leads every day. So it's all about your perception. It's about building your foundation. Don't fret out before you have your foundation built, because otherwise it won't work. Okay, so if you think that brings something to your thinking, to your business, I want to know. So let me know in the comments. Tell me, what is resonating with you? And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, you know what you have to do. Just, share the vibes, because this is exactly what we're doing here at Social Media Love. We're building a community of female leaders and women entrepreneurs who are ready to set up their foundation so that they get more free time to think about of their business rather than working in their business, and also spend more time with people they love. This is what I'm trying to do for me, and I'm sharing this with you. So please let me know in the comments what you want to hear more about. Go back to the first video, which is Attract, the part 1 of the sales funnel, and keep nourishing your nice flowers. Okay, ciao.